Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that's all about success and progress, achievement. Now, if you've ever accomplished something that took effort, planning, or skill, you've experienced an achievement. Put simply, an achievement is something you accomplish successfully. It's the result of your hard work paying off and reaching a specific goal, whether big or small. When we think of achievement, there are a few words that have similar meanings. Accomplishment is a great synonym and describes a task or goal that has been completed successfully, just like achievement. For example, finishing that marathon was a real accomplishment for her. Another synonym is success. If you've had success in something, you've likely achieved a goal. For instance, graduating from college was his biggest success yet. These words all capture that feeling of satisfaction when we reach a goal we've set for ourselves. Now, let's look at some opposites of achievement. A common antonym is failure, which means not meeting a goal or expectation. For instance, not getting the job felt like a failure to him. Another antonym is setback, which is something that prevents us from moving forward or achieving our goals. You might say, her injury was a major setback in her sports career. These words reflect the challenges we sometimes face instead of accomplishments. In everyday life, we use achievement all the time. Imagine someone has been working really hard at work and they finally get that promotion. They might say, "This promotion is my biggest achievement yet." Or perhaps a student who studied diligently and earned a top score might say, "That grade felt like a real achievement." In any situation where we've put in effort and see successful results, we can call it an achievement. Here are a couple of examples to help illustrate the word in sentences. Starting my own business was a huge achievement for me. Another example could be, her achievement in winning the art contest made her parents proud. As you can see, achievement is often linked to that feeling of pride and accomplishment after working hard. So, to recap, an achievement is something accomplished successfully, and we might use synonyms like accomplishment and success to express similar ideas. Opposites include failure and setback, which highlight moments when we didn't reach a goal. Thanks so much for joining me today to explore the word achievement. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And before you go, I'd love to hear your own sentences using achievement. Share them in the comments below. Until next time, keep aiming for new achievements.